we're gonna unlock a seriously fun new skill. It's all about making something that is totally, completely, 100% you. And yeah, turning your unique style into gorgeous, handcrafted soap. Okay, so let's get into your soap making adventure. We're gonna turn some really basic ingredients into something, well, kind of magical. You know, when it comes to DIY soap, the only limit really is your imagination. I mean, you're the artist here, so the possibilities are just endless. Okay, first up, you've got to choose your creative path. Every great journey starts with just one choice, right? And there are basically two main paths you can take. So which path will you choose? You've got melt and pour, which is kind of like the quick and easy quest. It's perfect if you're just starting out, you get fast results, and it's super fun. Then you have cold process. Think of this as the pro-level challenge. You get total creative control because you're making it completely from scratch. All right, now we get to design your perfect vibe. This is where you gather all your magic ingredients. This is seriously the best part. So if you want something with a little texture, for exfoliation, you can add stuff like oatmeal or coffee grounds. Even poppy or chia seeds work great. Oh, and pink Himalayan salt and shredded coconut, amazing. Or maybe you want something that's all about creaminess and nourishment. For that, you could go with honey, goat milk, or even coconut milk. Yogurt works too, and shea butter, oh, it makes for such a luxurious bar. And what about color? You can even use ingredients for color and detox. Like activated charcoal will give you a deep black color. Spirulina makes a really pretty green. Turmeric gives you a bright yellow, and cocoa powder makes a rich brown. So cool, right? Okay, let's talk about easy mode, melt and pour. This is kind of like your first spell for instant soap magic. Melt and pour is seriously just 3 simple steps. First, you melt the base. You just cube up a pre-made soap base and pop it in the microwave. Step 2, you add the fun stuff. Stir in your colors, your scents, all your extras. And then step 3, you pour it and let it cool. Just pour the whole mixture into your molds and let it harden up. It's so quick, so easy, and honestly, so rewarding. Okay, ready for the pro level? If you're a crafting adventurer ready to level up, let's talk about cold process. But wait, before we even start, we have to talk about the most important thing, safety, first. Okay, so you're gonna need some safety gear. We're talking goggles, gloves, and you have to work in a well-ventilated area. This part is super, super important. So what is this all about? Well, it's a cool chemical reaction called saponification. I know, it's a big word, but it just means the process that magically transforms oils and lye water into actual soap. Okay, so the cold process craft is a little more involved. Step 1, you make your lye solution by carefully mixing lye into distilled water, and then you let it cool down. Step 2 is prepping your oils. Melt and combine them and let them cool too. Then, step 3, you combine them. When both are cooled, you slowly pour the lye solution into the oils. Step 4 is blending to trace. You'll use an immersion blender until it gets to be the consistency of thin pudding. Step 5 is when you add your extras, your scents, colors, all that good stuff. And finally, step 6. You pour it into a mold, wait a day or 2, and then cut it into bars. And here's the thing with cold process, you have to be patient. It takes about 4 to 6 weeks for the soap to cure. That's the time it needs to, fully harden and become ready to use. It's a wait, but it's worth it. All right, and after all that, it's time to show off your creation. You did it. Time to just admire your amazing masterpiece. Just look at the kind of aesthetic you can create. You could have herbal-infused bars with lavender, or a really rich coffee scrub soap. You can make unique, colorful swirls, or even a detoxifying charcoal bar. The possibilities are just wow. So, now that you know all the secrets, there's really only one question left. What are you going to create first?